Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a brand new 3 channels Wi-Fi and GPS 4K dash cam from OMBAR to share with you. So in today's video I'll show you what comes in the box, and then step-by-step installation should be not that hard to install. It might be time consuming, but should be really easy. Just follow directions in this video, and then at the end I will test it out and see the quality of the dash cam. Now let's go. This is OMBAR 3-channel dash cam with 4K quality and GPS tracking system, also Wi-Fi connection. Now let's see what comes in the box. Everything that came in the box. Let's check out the main camera first. This is 4K front forward camera with the display in the back, and this is the mounting point. So this is magnetite, so just mount this on your windshield and then just like that to install it. Super easy. So it's all the power goes here, and this magnets here, and this is the interior camera. So you can just, this is optional, you don't have to install it if you don't want to. So you just plug this in right here. So this will face inside of your car, and this is the rear view camera with the real long cable. Also the instruction manual, and the package also came with 64GB micro SD card, extra adhesive for both front and rear camera, and power cable, all the hardware that you need, and the protective films. This is for the front forward camera. Alright, now we saw everything that came in the box. Let's go and install it in the car. You can get this OMBAR 3 channels 4K dash cam from Amazon.com. I'll make sure to put the link in the description down below. This is probably one of the most affordable 3 channels 4K dash cam in the market right now, and they even have this $50 discount coupon that you can apply at the checkout. It will probably show the price at $119, which is really awesome deal. Alright, now let's go and install it in the car. Let's start the installation for this 4K dash cam. First thing first, I need to aim where the camera is going to be. So try to get this lens right here to be in the center of the car. As you can see, I'm just gonna mount right below that device right here, and this is the center of the car. So just right there, it should be right in the center of the car. And then so the power will be connecting to the mounting bracket right here. So I'll have to run the power this way down, and then go under, and then connect to the 12-volt socket on this side. And then as you can see, on the left side of the dash cam has this rear port to connect. So it's on the, since it's on the left side, I'll be running the rear camera wires going up and then around, and just hide it on underneath the trim all the way to the back of the car. Right, now we got a plan for wiring running plan. Let's mount the front camera first. Okay, before mounting the front camera, make sure you clean up the windshield on the inside first, so easier to stick on the adhesive. Alright, so now it's ready to be mounted. Make sure you remove this first, easier to mount. There you go. And then just remove the adhesive cover in the back, and just aim on the mounting point. Go as high as possible on here. That looks good. Now just apply the pressure and hold it for a few seconds. Make sure it sticks really well. Next, just attach the dash cam back on. It's really convenient. I love that magnet attachment. now we just have to run the power cable. So the power cable is on this side of the attachment here, and then I'm just gonna run up the windshield. Just hide the cable around on the top, and the cable will come down here, go underneath the glove box, and then just connect to the 12-volt socket in the car. Alright, let me do that real quick. Alright, I'm done running the wires, so just go up, down on the trims. Just use one of these trim pliers or plastic pliers to help, and just go around inside and then plug in. Really simple. Just a little time to make it nice and clean. You can see no wires exposed at all. Alright, plug it in and it's powered. Now let's connect the interior camera and then run the wire for the rear camera in the back. Alright, so the interior cabin camera, it's just attached to the side right here. You can see on the right hand side, and it's just plug it in. It has like a magnet thing, so you can just easily attach to it. And the interior camera is actually adjustable, so you can move up, down, left or right. Just, you know, to get the right perspective or right angle on the inside of your car. Now we just have to connect the rear camera, which is on this side right here. So we're gonna connect here and then run the cable up around the windshield and then go up there and all the way to the back. Alright, so I just finished running the cable on the interior of the car. So to the driver's side, up, and everything's hiding. You can't really see the cable at all. The rubber trims, these are easy. You just, you know, open it up and just put the cable inside. And then all the way, the trims here, and goes at the back. Just go underneath this panel right here. This minivan-ish. So it has this flat back tailgate, so it's easier to install. This is Mazda 5, I believe. And yeah, so this go up here and it just remove this panel right here. Just remove it out, and that's the last step. We're just gonna, you see I have a lot of cable left, so I'm just gonna roll whatever left in here, and then the rear cable camera will come out here. So I'm just gonna mount. Now we know it's enough, plenty of cable to connect to the camera. I'm just gonna mount the camera in the rear camera first. Make sure you clean the glass here first, and then we'll connect and then close everything out, and we should be done. Mounting the rear camera, just make sure, see, the camera is facing out to the glass, and then find the center of the rear glass here, the rear window. I think the center is mine here, and just the camera is facing directly to it. I try to get closest to you know, the trim as possible, so we don't see a lot of cable exposed. Now just, and then just, you know, apply and then stick it on. Really simple. Alright, just attach the rear camera and then connect it to the cable. See a lot of cables left here. I'm just gonna like roll it up and then put all the remaining cables in here and then close the panel. The rear camera installation is done. Close the panel. As you can see, a little bit cable exposed right here. I can just push it in. See less cable, and make sure it's long enough cable to close and open your hatch. I could have gone more details, and I can just get it in here, but it's gonna be harder to remove it. Let's say something wrong with the camera or this issue, so this way is easier to fix, easier to remove, and it still works. just put this in, and now we're gonna go test it out. But as you can see here, we have all the 3 channels connected, and it's recording right now. Before we go test it out, let's see the setting real quick. So just go to right here, that's a menu. Okay, so that's a menu, and then you can go video setting. You can select the video resolution, and you want 180p or 2Ks. So when you connect all of them, all 3, you only have the highest 2K options. But if you only connect to 2 cameras, you can go for the front, go up to 4Ks. So it doesn't, you know, record such a high quality, too high quality, and a really big file size. So let's go back, and you can also do the loop recording, compensation code, and audio recording. So there's so many settings that you can do, and video playback event. So this will detect, let's say you have an accident, it will detect the event front, rear, so you can play back the video with the sound. So this with the sound, as you can hear, it's really nice quality. Well, you can't really see it from this small display. We'll see the quality at the end of the video after we drive around and test it. But yeah, there are so many options on this dash cam that you can do the setting with, and it also has a GPS G sensor. So the G sensor, you can adjust the sensitiveness of the G sensor to, let's say, you know, when you drive the car and something make the car vibrate. If it's not enough impact, it won't record, but you can adjust the sensitivity of it. And you can do parking monitoring, but parking monitoring, you have to connect to your 12-volt battery directly. Otherwise, because when you turn off the car, you leave, this will not connect and it can't power the dash cam. But if you connect to the 12-volt, then it's connected and can be operated at all times. And so this is also GPS. So let's say you have an accident, it recorded at that location, you know exactly where it happened, and also Wi-Fi, so it connects to your phone apps. Let me show you the phone apps real quick. We're done here. Looks really good. Let me show you the phone app. To download the app for this dash cam, just open the instruction manual and then just scan the code, and then just download the app and follow all directions so you can connect wirelessly to the dash cam. So I just downloaded it. As you can see, streaming live from the dash cam to my phone camera. So you can also download the files from the camera to your phone using the Wi-Fi connection. So when you start first, so all the clips here, as you can see, they are separated. Of course, the interior, the front camera, and the rear camera. Let's see this one. As you can see, you can get all the clips here right directly on your phone. Alright, looks really cool. So this is what is this? It's an on cam, and that's for this dash cam. Now we're done with the installation. It's really easy to install. It's just time consuming to hide all the cables from the front and then to the rear too. But otherwise, it's really straightforward. Now I'm gonna go drive around, test it out, and I'll show you the video clips, the quality at the end. Go out and test it. Let me show you what it looks like on the outside of the car. As you can see here, and then on the back. So this is the rear camera, back. Right now, let's go drive around a little bit and test it out, the quality of this dash cam. Let's go. Right, I'm back from testing and driving around, and to download the files directly or the videos directly from the dash cam is really easy. Just go to the app, and then first you have to stop recording first, and then Go to the dash cam album, normal, and then you can select. Let's say I want to select this one. I already downloaded all of them, most of them. I want to download this one and just download. It's really fast, you can see. Wow, that is super fast. I'm impressed how fast it is to download the file from the dash cam to your phone, because when accident really happens, you need it right away into your phone, so you can just, you know, give it to police for the accident. As you can see in the video, the quality is really good. Too bad you can't do 4K on when you have all three cameras connected, but you know, 2K is way more than enough. You can see enough details on the license plate and the car. That's the most important when you get into an accident, because I got into an accident almost a year ago with my Honda Pilot. We had the rear camera, which is really important to me now because I had that experience before. Because that rear camera, all you need is 180p. It's enough to capture that front license plate when you get hit and run like I did. But yeah, this is really awesome dash cam, and thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I'll make sure to put the link of this dash cam in the description down below, and don't forget to click like if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.